If the blue ocean, white sandy beaches, and city life of Honolulu, Hawaii has you captivated, this property is for you. It's a rare occurrence when a luxury penthouse with such an attractive price point, 31 stories high, and panoramic views of rainbows almost every morning, comes on the market. 1717 Ala Wai's Penthouse boasts 1,415 square feet, with a large living room and 575 square foot wraparound lanai. With upgraded fixtures and accent lighting throughout, this 2-bedroom, 2-bath home provides privacy and relaxation. Newly installed quartz surrounds the kitchen and bathrooms, capturing natural light and evoking the feelings of peace. Not to mention the perfectly positioned jacuzzi tub. This penthouse can also be the destination for entertainment. You and your guests will experience 270 degrees of mountain, city, and ocean views. And if that isn't enough, you have the choice between the building's pool, hot tub, lanai, grills, sauna, and gym. A short walk away reveals the world-renowned Ala Moana Beach Park, beaches, lagoon, and marina. To top off the nearby Hawaiian amenities, the kitchen has been completely remodeled with new appliances and enormous amounts of storage. But probably the best part of this location is the jaw-dropping Hawaiian sunsets and panoramic views from which to experience them. As the sun dips below the horizon, the romantic evening lights of Honolulu revive the heart and calm the soul.